What is up, guys? Technical G with the 5 and 5 here, and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change your mouse cursor from this to this, or this. Any color you like. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is go to the website I have listed below, or any website that has cursors in it. I'm using DeviantArt. It has some pretty cool cursors. I'm going to be using this red one for my personal cursor, and if you don't like that cursor, they have plenty of these. Plenty of diamonds, plenty of colors, spaceships. I don't even know what that is. That looks really cool. Spaceships, knives, a lot of other stuff. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have WinRAR. That's this right here. I'll put a link in the description down below. Alright, let's say you want this cursor and you like it, and you want to download it. Alright, so you go to download, open with WinRAR, go here, extract to, I'm sending it to my desktop, minimize, Notice your cursor hasn't changed yet. Well, it's going to in a minute. Click on the file that you just made, click again, find where it says installer. Right here, click on it once, right click, and hit install. If your security thing comes up, do you want this application to allow, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your PC? Yes. Alright. Now, still hasn't changed. Go to personalize, mouse cursor, and you get this box here. Pointers, and there it is. Click here. There's your cursor. Apply, yes, and okay. And there you go. There's your red cursor. Now I'm going to show you how to do the yellow if you don't like this one. Same procedure. Again, say you want this one. Hit download. Okay. Click on the file. Extract to desktop. New folder. Okay. Minimize. Click on the folder you just made. Find where it says installer. Right click. Install. Click yes if your security notification pops up. Minimize. Right click. Personalize. Themes. Mouse cursor. And you get the box again. Go here. And there it is. Night Diamond Yellow. Yes. Okay. There you go. There's your yellow one. Now I'm going to do one more, but I'm going to do it a little slower. Alright, I've decided I'm not going to do the blue one. I'm going to do one of these just for the hell of it. Because, just so you know, they're all the same file. I'm going to do this one this blue one here. Same thing. Download. Open with. Okay. Click here. Extract to. Desktop. New folder. Okay. Minimize. Click here. Click here. Go to where it says installer. Click here. right click and install. If your security notification pops up, hit yes. Right click, personalize, themes, mouse cursor, and the blue one. There it is. Apply, yes. There we go. There's your blue one. Alright. I don't really like the blue one, so I'm going to go back to themes and I'm going to get my diamond back. I like that. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I will link Renoir and the website in the description down below.